Are you looking to make money online? If so, affiliate marketing could be the perfect way for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to thrive in affiliate marketing in 2023, even with the increased competition. Let's get started. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way to make money online by promoting other people's products or services. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Why affiliate marketing still a good idea in 2023? Even though the competition is tougher, affiliate marketing is still a great way to make money online. Here are a few reasons why. It's a low-cost, low-risk business model. You can do it from anywhere in the world. You can promote products or services that you're passionate about. There are many resources available to help you get started. Strategies for thriving in affiliate marketing 2023. Choose a niche wisely. Select a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Your genuine enthusiasm will fuel compelling content creation. Seek quality affiliate programs. Partner with reputable affiliate programs offering products or services relevant to your chosen niche. Quality speaks volumes. Craft engaging content. Create content that doesn't merely promote but educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. Optimize for traffic. Harness the trifecta of SEO, social media, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your content. A diversified approach maximizes your reach. Monitor and adapt. Regularly analyze your results to understand what's working and what needs tweaking. Adaptation is key to staying ahead. Persistence is paramount. Success doesn't happen overnight. Dedication, consistency, and patience are the bedrock of a flourishing affiliate marketing endeavor. Build relationships. In today's competitive affiliate marketing landscape, it's more important than ever to build relationships with other affiliate marketers, merchants, and influencers. This will help you to get the word out about your affiliate programs, get more traffic to your content, and close more sales. Stay up to date on trends. The affiliate marketing landscape is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends. This will help you to find the best affiliate programs, create the most effective content, and reach your target audience. Acknowledge the intensified competition. It's important to acknowledge the intensified competition in the affiliate marketing landscape. However, it's equally vital to understand that differentiation, innovation, and understanding your target audience's evolving needs can set you apart from the crowd. As we wrap up our journey through the realm of affiliate marketing in 2023, remember that the road to success is illuminated by dedication and strategic thinking. Despite the challenges, the allure of affiliate marketing's potential for financial freedom and self-expression remains unwavering. So, whether you're a seasoned marketer or just dipping your toes, the path is yours to carve. If you're hungry for more insights, tips, and strategies, consider subscribing to our channel or visiting our website. Let's keep the conversation going and empower each other to thrive in the world of affiliate marketing.